History and culture significance of turmeric. Turmeric is a flowering plant belonging to the ginger family. It has been cultivated in India for over 4,000 years and has deep cultural significance in Indian cuisine, medicine and rituals. Turmeric has also been used in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for its healing properties. Clothes were also dyed with turmeric. Turmeric holds sacred significance in Indian culture, symbolizing purity and fertility. It plays a vital role in Hindu rituals, including weddings and religious festivals. Health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric owes its health benefits to its active compounds called curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, which contributes to its wide range of therapeutic properties. Boosts brain health, cardiovascular health, anti-cancer potential. Golden turmeric milk masala. Healthy turmeric smoothie. Turmeric honey lemon tea.